Introduction. There's never been a better time to start your own podcast. Sales of smartphones over recent years have fueled more interest in podcasts, and now there are more podcast listeners than ever before. And the numbers are growing every year. A number of marketers have tried to create a successful podcast and failed. This is because they tried to use outdated methods to get their podcast noticed, or because they just didn't know what they were doing. Well, now you can learn from a podcast expert on how to create the best podcasts and build a significant following. In this training, we will take you by the hand and guide you step by step through the process of creating a successful podcast. You will learn how to create high-quality and high-value podcasts that listeners crave, and how you can get the word out to your target audience. Planning your podcast is a very important step in the process, and many marketers make the mistake of trying to wing it. This is not the right approach, and you will learn how to spend a small amount of time planning to create the very best podcasts for your audience. There are many ways that you can monetize your podcasts and earn a significant income from them every month. After all, it is going to take time and effort to produce your podcasts, so why not be rewarded for it? Use the techniques in this training to create really successful podcasts. Provide your listeners with the content that they want, and they will be hungry for more. It's a lot easier to stand out from the crowd with podcasting rather than blogging and video marketing if you know the right techniques to use.